Welcome back to the channel. It is day 30, the final day of the $1,000 challenge. Thank you guys for watching, and we are at $580. And I don't think we'll be able to hit our goal, but we're still going to go out strong today. Please subscribe. Okay, so it is the end of day 30. That means it's the end of the challenge. We did make $580 in the end. We didn't quite hit the goal, but I mean, we got lots of stuff on the go right now, and if I had a little bit more time and stuff to get some stuff done, I think I would have hit it. But yeah, I mean, I'm still happy with it, right? I'm still making money as a business and stuff like that, and profitable, and it's better than making my own hours and stuff like that. But even though this challenge is over, I will still continue to make videos. Just, I want to continue to challenge myself with maybe some harder projects. So stay tuned and please subscribe. And thanks for watching. And if you haven't watched the rest of the series, please go back and watch. It really helps me out. Thanks. Bye.